Difference between hardware and software. Hardware is tangible. Software is intangible. Hardware is a physical part of a computer. Software is a set of instructions that tells a computer exactly what to do. Hardware is repair in case of problem. Software is debugged in case of problem. Hardware example: keyboard, RAM, ROM, printer, mouse, hard disk, etc. Software example: MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MySQL, Photoshop, etc. Hardware is not affected by computer viruses. Software is affected by computer viruses. Hardware has four main categories: 1. Output devices, 2. Input devices, 3. Storage devices, 4. Internal components. Software is mainly divided into two: 1. System software and 2. Application software. If hardware gets damaged, it is replaced with new one. If software get damaged, it is reinstalled. Hardware is made of electronic components like ICs, registers, diodes, insulators, etc. Software is made of codes in programming languages, alphabets, numbers, alphanumeric symbols, etc. A hardware can be only physically transferred. Software can be transferred electronically. Hardware cannot perform any tasks without software. The software cannot be executed without hardware. Hardware understand only machine language or binary language. Software can developed in machine language or assembly language or high-level language. Hardware can be touched. Software cannot be touched.